we are going to study the third point, geographical features of India. India is a large country having Himalaya toward its north and the Bay of Bengal to the east and the Arabian Sea towards the west and the Indian Ocean toward the south. The Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea. India has a contiguous geographical area. Contiguous means sharing a common boundaries or next to each other. Before 15th August 1947, today's Pakistan and Bangladesh were also part of India. The following regions are seen to be important when we look at the course of the Indian history. The Himalayas, the plain of Sindhu, Ganga and Brahmaputra river, the Thar desert, the Deccan plateau, the coastal region, the island in the seas. Now we are going to see the Himalayas. The Hindu Kush and the Himalayan range have created an impenetrable wall on the north side of the Indian subcontinent. Impenetrable means something that's impossible to get through. There is a land route through the Khyber and Bolan passes in the Hindu Kush mountain. The trade route from China passes through the Central Asia and reaches the Arabia. It is known as the Silk Route or a Silk Road. Now we are going to see the plains of Sindhu, Ganga and Brahmaputra. This region consists on the basis of three big rivers, Sindhu, Ganga and the Brahmaputra and their tributaries. Tributary means small river that flows into a large river. This region extends means to cover the area. This region extends from the Sindh Punjab in the west to the present day of Bangladesh in the east. Now we are going to see the Thar desert. Thar desert spreads across Rajasthan, Haryana and some part of the Gujarat. Some part of the desert lies in today's Pakistan. The desert has the Satluj river to its north, the Aravalli mountain range to the east and the run of Kutch to the south and the Sindhu river to its west. Sindhu river is also called an Indus river. Now we are going to see the Deccan plateau. Plateau means a large high area of a flat land. In Marathi it is said as a pathar. The region between the east and the west coast of India tapers. Taper means narrow. It becomes narrow to the south. This region has the Arabian Sea to its west and the Bay of Bengal to the east. A region thus bounded or surrounded by the sea on the three sides is called a peninsula. A major part of the Indian peninsula is occupied by the Deccan plateau. The Sahyadri mountain range are to its west. They are also known as the Western Ghats. The mountains on the eastern sides of the Deccan plateau are known as the Eastern Ghats. Now we are going to see the coastal region. Ancient India had a trade within the western countries by the sea route. Later on, land route come to be used for the trade and transport. But the importance of the sea route did not diminish. Diminish means to be a less. That means land route and a sea route both are used for a trade and a transport. Now we are going to see the islands in the sea. Andaman and Nicobar are in the Indian islands in the Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep is a group of islands in the Arabian Sea. Now we are going to study the fourth point, the Indian subcontinent. Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and India together form the region known as the South Asia. It is also called an Indian subcontinent. China and Myanmar, our neighboring countries, are not a part of the South Asia or the Indian subcontinent.